Best model Audi for beginner track days. Looking for a dedicated car to learn and work on.
Dedicated track.
I mean, there's lots of Audis that would be good. I would say the first thing that pops to mind would be like a B9A4 with like a big brake kit. And maybe, springs and sway bars, just so that you can kind of get the car under control a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
That's a very good tossable car, not too much power. Thermally, it can lap for full track sessions. Just needs a little help with the brakes. I think that would be a great car, and you could be out the door for like 20 grand, just for a good reliable car that runs well.
Yep. Yeah, I was thinking I don't know what budget and stuff is. Obviously, there's the Mark III TT is a fantastic chassis. Holds up really well on the track, and
TTs
still,
are great.
Still very approachable to drive and in its stock setup.
Mm-hmm. You're just not going to need a lot of horsepower. You don't need to go out.
It's not about the car for your first, however many dozen track days. It's you getting out there and just putting the time in and learning, being a sponge.
You don't need to get out there with 400 horsepower or anything like that.
No.